morning everyone. In previous class we have completed the explanation of the lesson Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of this lesson and other exercise. So let's start with first question. Question number 1. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो ने कैसे सोच लिया कि वो ग्राउंड पे जो प्रिंट थी वो एक फुटप्रिंट है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो थिंक सो बिकॉज इट हैड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ अ फुट, टोज, हील्स एट्सेट्रा. दैट्स व्हाई ही थॉट दैट द प्रिंट ऑन द ग्राउंड वाज अ फुटप्रिंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? जब वो दौड़ के अपनी केव की तरफ जा रहा था, when he was going towards his cave, Robinson Crusoe was feeling very afraid because he mistook every bush and tree to be a man following him. क्योंकि उसे हमेशा ऐसे लग रहा था कि वो जब भी किसी ट्री को या बुश को देखता तो उसे ऐसे लग रहा था कि कोई मैन उसका चेस कर रहा है, उसका पीछा कर रहा है. नंबर 3. वाई डिड रॉबिन्सन प्रे व्हेन ही सो द फुटप्रिंट? रॉबिन्सन थॉट दैट इट वाज द फुटप्रिंट ऑफ अ सैवेज. ही बिकेम अफ्रेड दैट द सैवेज वुड कम टू हिम विथ अदर सैवेजेस एंड किल हिम. उसे डर था कि वो सैवेज अपने साथ दूसरे सैवेज को भी लेके आएगा और वो सब लोग रॉबिन्सन को मार डालेंगे. एंड देयरफॉर ही बिगेन टू प्रे फॉर हिज सेफ्टी. सो ही स्टार्टेड प्रेइंग फॉर हिज सेफ्टी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. हियर 3 ऑप्शंस हैज गिवन. वी हैव टू select one correct answer. Question number 1. Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could because he blank. So these are 3 options. Was racing, was afraid and was in a hurry to go home. So here we will write the correct answer as because he was afraid. So number B is correct answer here. Number 2. He could not sleep because that night Robinson couldn't sleep because there are also 3 options given here. There was an animal outside his cave. He thought savages had come from his mainland. उस रात को रॉबिन्सन क्यों सो नहीं पाया? क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. फर्स्ट ये है देयर वॉज एन एनिमल आउटसाइड हिज केव. उसकी केव के आउटसाइड एक एनिमल था. नंबर बी ही थॉट सैवेजेस हैड कम फ्रॉम द mainland. उसको डर था कि कहीं सैवेजेस mainland में से आके उसे मार डालेंगे. सो हियर वी विल चूज दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर नंबर बी. Question 3. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? So here also 3 options given. Here we will write the correct answer as he had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. क्योंकि बहुत लंबे समय से वो उस बीच के उस पार्ट गया नहीं था. That's why he was sure that it was not his footprint. Number 4. Where was Robinson Crusoe? Robinson Crusoe कहाँ पे था? So you all know these answer that Robinson Crusoe was alone on an island. Here we will choose number C as correct answer. So that's all about the question answers and MCQs of this lesson. Now moving forward, let's discuss another exercise. Let's write. The words in the sentences are jumbled. Write them in order. One is done for you. Here one example is given for you. The words are written here as jumbled sentences. Alone was not Robinson an island on. So here we have to write these words into correct order. So the answer is already given of first number. Robinson was not alone on an island. Now let's see number 2. Was island the inhabited? Here this sentence is also jumbled. We have to write this sentence in correct order. So the correct answer is the island was inhabited. Number 3. Footprint to someone this belonged. The answer is this footprint belonged to someone. Number 4. I around me looked. The answer is I looked around me. Number 5. I went the towards footprint large. The correct answer we will write as I went towards the large footprint. Number 6. Was afraid I now. Here we can write this sentence in both manner. First, I was afraid now. And we can also write like this. Now I was afraid. You can write one from both of these two. Now, second number, fill in the blanks with the correct word. First number is given, I was frightened blank curious. So here we will write the correct answer as I was frightened and curious. Number 2, I decided to go to the beach blank. I went along the water's edge. I decided go to the beach. मैंने बीच पे जाने का डिसाइड किया. Blank I went along water's edge. So I went along the water's edge. Number 3. I ran as fast as I could because I was frightened. So here we will write the correct answer because in this blank. Last number. I was very tired but confused. मैं बहुत थका हुआ था but मैं confused था. So these are the answers of fill in the blanks. Next exercise. Use the joining words given below and join the sentences in column A and B. Here two columns are given. What we have to do? We have to join these sentences by using the conjunctions and the words given in this box. Number 1. I can sing well. I can sing well but I can't dance well. Here we have joined this sentence with column A and B and using the conjunction but. Number 2. She wore a raincoat because it was raining. So here we have used the conjunction because and joined these two sentences. Number 3. We may go to Shimla or we may go to Darjeeling. Here we have used the conjunction or because there are two options given and we have to choose any one from both these. We may go to Shimla or we may go to Darjeeling. Number 4. He wanted a book and a football. So here two things are described. So we will join this sentence by and conjunction. Next number. He missed the school bus so he was late to school. उसने अपनी स्कूल बस मिस कर ली इसीलिए वो अपनी स्कूल लेट पहुंचा. Here we will use conjunction so. And the last one is already given in this example also. I wrote the letter but I forgot to post it. So this is the fourth question. Now moving forward, let's see another exercise. Let's create a pyramid. Use the following words. So number 1, question number 1 is given a 2-letter word beginning with B. हमें B से beginning होते हुए एक वर्ड लिखना है, बट वो ये वर्ड only 2 letters का होना चाहिए, right? So here I have written B. Here I have written B. Number 2, a 3-letter word beginning with C. So C से स्टार्ट होते हुआ वर्ड लेटर हमें लिखना है जो 3 letters का होना चाहिए. So here we have written 3 letters word CAP, cap. Number 3, a 4-letter word beginning with D. Then we have to write here 4 letters word which begins with D. So here I have written doll. Then next, a 5-letter word beginning with E. So in this box we have to write 5 letters word which was beginning with E. So here I have written eagle. Then last, a 6-letter word beginning with F. So here we have to write 6 letters word and which begins with F. So here I have written the word freely. So here that's all about all exercises of the lesson Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. I hope you all understood well. Thank you everyone. Bye. Take care.